Hello everyone, and how you doing? This video is about the outline button in the Flutter. So we will write the code for the outline button in this video, and how does it work. It does have the same functionality as the flat button or the other buttons. Alright, so it is just kind of a flat button but with the rounded gray borders. Alright, so let's just write the code. I want to put my button into the center widget. Let's just go to the properties of our outline button. These are the properties of the outline button. As if you have seen my recent videos about the other buttons, other types of the button, you would have seen that I have been repeating a single thing, that divide the properties of button of any button into the two portions. One is the functionality and the second one is its UI, it's its design, how does it look. Alright, so in the functionality portion we have the two methods, on press and on long press. Alright, and other most of the properties are related to the UI of your button. Alright, you can see that the button, text, theme, color, you can look at here that how much color properties are available here. The text color, disable text color, color normally, the focus color, hover color, the highlight color, and the splash color, and we have a bunch of property that is related to the UI of the button. Alright, so let's just go to the main code. Okay, so the required thing in your any button is on press functionality, so I want to give it an on press functionality. And one more thing, I also want to add the on long press functionality. Alright, so this is the functionality of your button, of your outline button. Now I would like to add a text in my button. Alright, I just added the text in my button. Let's just run this first, and now you just could see here that your outline button is just kind of the similar as your flat button, but with gray thin rounded rectangular lines or the borders. Alright, so that's the major difference between the flat button and this the outline button. You got to remember one point here, that in outline button you cannot change the background color. If you want to change the background color when pressing the button, you have to give it the highlight elevation to your outline button to do so. So let's just write the code for it. First I want to add the highlight elevation, and I want to give 10 value, and now I would like to add the color here, and in colors I would love to have the deep orange color. Now let's just run this code, and now you will see that it is giving me the different color when I just press the button. Alright, so this is how it works. You can only change its background color, or when you press the button, it is only for that instance. Okay, if you also want to change the text color, you can change the text color. I would love to go with the blue color. Let's see how this works. Now you can see we have a blue color here, and pressing the button we have the orange color, and we also have the some elevation. Okay, so this is how the outline button work, and it does have all the other properties that we haven't discussed, kind of related to the UI. So you can also play with those properties as well, but for the basic, if you just want to use the outline button, these properties are, I think, enough. And if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.